9 to the power 2 equals 81. 2 and 2 cancels out each other, leaves us with 9 here, and 81 divided by 9 equals 9. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a division and a multiplication operator present, but we also have exponent present here. According to the rules, exponent has higher priority over multiplication and division, so we need to solve this first. 9 to the power 2, that gives us 81. Our expression simplifies to 81 divided by 9 over 2 times 2. Now we have two operators present here, division and multiplication. According to the rules, multiplication and division have equal priority, but we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first, because that's on the left side. A number is getting divided by a fraction here, and to solve it we can apply KCF rule here. Keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 81 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication, and flip means we flip the fraction 9 over 2 as 2 over 9, and then we have times 2 present from the original expression. Now we simplify this multiplication, so we solve this part first. 81 times 2 over 9, we can see that 9 and 81 both are divisible by 9, so 9 divided by 9 gives us 1. 81 divided by 9 gives us 9. Our expression becomes 9 times 2 times 2. Now 9 times 2, that gives us 18, and finally 18 times 2 equals 36, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.